In this video, we'll talk about the hologram 3D model, which reflects us the images like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, triangular pyramid. First of all, we'll talk about cube. As the figure is revolving, you can easily judge the vertices, edges and faces. Cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces with square on each face. Area of square is length into breadth, which means side square. So we have 6 faces, so its surface area would be 6a square. Volume of cube is length into breadth into height. So its volume would be side cube, which means a cube. The next figure is cuboid. Cuboid also have 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces with rectangle on each face. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we have 6 faces. So surface area of cuboid would be twice of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. And the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. You can judge the figure by revolving its vertices, edges and faces. The next is cone. Cone have a lateral height and radius. So its surface area would be pi r into L plus r. And its volume would be 1 by 3 pi r square h. It has a circle on the lower area and area of circle would be pi r square. As the figure is revolving, you can see that the circle is on the lower part. Its example is ice cream cone. The next figure is cylinder. Cylinder has 2 circles. The one is on the upper side and the other is on the lower side. You can see in the revolving figure here. Area of circle is pi r square. So the surface area of cylinder would be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h and its volume would be pi r square h. The next one is sphere. Sphere is a 3-dimensional figure while circle is a 2-dimensional figure. The example of circle is like a bangle. Area of circle is pi r square and the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. The example of sphere is globe. The next figure is hemisphere. Hemisphere, if we cut the sphere from the middle, we'll get hemisphere. Hemisphere has a circular cut on the lower area. Area of circle, as we know that it's pi r square. So, surface area of hemisphere would be 3 pi r square and its volume would be 2 by 3 pi r cube. And the next figure is triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid has a base and a lateral area. So its surface area is base area plus lateral area. As we know that area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. But the area of triangular pyramid is base area plus lateral area. And volume of triangular pyramid is 1 by 3 into base area into